Discover the magic of Google Docs. Whether you are writing a paper, collaborating on a project, or organizing your thoughts, this versatile tool makes it easy and efficient. Let's dive in and unleash your creativity. So hello everyone and welcome back in another video where I will show you step by step how to start with Google Docs. So first of all have to do is open your browser and dive into Google Docs. So what is Google Docs? Google Docs is an online word processor and part of the free web-based Google Docs editor site offered by Google. Google Docs is accessible via an internet browser as a web-based application and is also available as a mobile app on Android and iOS and as a desktop application on Google Chromes. As you can see, we have other informations. So you have just to click over Google Docs here and you get started. So to start with Google Docs, you have just to choose a blank document or select from various templates and you click over here. I will click over this one. Then familiarize yourself with the toolbar for formatting options, inserting images and other links. To collaborate, click the share button here. Enter email addresses and set permissions for others to view or edit your documents. You are ready to start creating and collaborating seamlessly. So here we have, if you want to add a title here, so for example write test here, and then we have if you want to put it a star, and we have here if you want to move. See document status we have here. If you lose an internet connection, you can't edit this document. To access your documents without an internet connection, turn on offline. Then we have here other options like file here. So we have here new. For example, if you have document from template gallery, then we have open here, make a copy, share with others, publish to web, and we have email here. We have download also. Have your rename, move, and we have a shortcut to drive, move to the trash, version history, and we have make available offline, details, languages, and we have page setup, print also. Then we have here edit, as you can see. Then we have view, have mode, comments, show print layout, show ruler, show outline, and we have show equation, toolbar, show no printing characters, and we have here insert also, as you can see, format, then we have tools here, for example spell and grammar. The other options, we have extensions, and we have help. We have training, updated, help docs, improve privacy policy, terms of service, and keyboard shortcuts. So here you have three options, as you can see. For example, we have the first one, which is meeting notes. So we have here date, calendar event, attends your other person, and we have notes to add notes, and we have action items to add an action items. Then we have this option of email draft. So for example, here write the person that you want, and we have also the other person and other one. Then we have here to the person that received the email, and we have here also other here, and you write here the subject. Then you start writing your email message. So this is its preview in Gmail. You can just get started right now. So then you have other options, which is more here. For example, you choose here the date, drop down, placeholder, shape, and we have here meeting notes, email draft, product roadmap, review tracker, project assets, and we have launch contact tracker. Then we have here, I will show you how you can get started. For example, here we have the size. You choose the size that you want, and here I will choose title, for example. Then I will choose here the option that I want. Then I will choose the size, for example, choose this one. Then I will choose bold also. And I will write, for example, Google Docs. Here we have it, and I will choose then subtitle here, and I will choose, for example, this one. Then the size I will choose here 36. Then I will choose, for example, italic, and I will write, for example, how to get started. How to get started with Google Docs. Then I will come back and I will choose again here. For example, I will choose a hidden tree, and I will choose the size, for example, choose 24, and the color I will choose, for example, red, like that, and I will choose, for example, here I will choose underline. And write, for example, first of all, you have to write, for example, like that. You will write whatever you want, as you can see. So other options that we have here, which is endo, window, we have here print, expand, one more check, and we have print format, the zoom, we have here styles, font, the size, and we have here the bold, italic, underline, here we have text color, highlight color. Then we have here insert link, add a comment if you want, insert image, align and indent, and we have a line and power of spacing, checklists and bold lists, and we have here numbered list and more options, and then we have editing more, and we have here hide the menus. So let's come back. As you can see, this is how you can come back. You can just click over here, or you can just click over Control plus Z. So this is it. Also, we have here other options, like if you wanna, so alright, for example, like that, if you wanna add here comments, and we have here, if you wanna, also other options like emoji, we have other options here, choose the one you want. Then we have here also, if you wanna add suggest edits, so we have you are suggesting. Then we have here the option of share, just to click over it and you share with the people that you want. Then we have here the option of join a call. Here are all present desktop to the call. Then we have here show all command, and here we have last edit was seconds ago. Then we have here try Gemini, and here we have the account. So this is how it works with Google Docs. You can just get started. So Google Docs is a powerful tool that simplifies document creation and collaboration. Its user-friendly interface and real-time editing features enhance productivity for individuals and teams alike. Embrace Google Docs to streamline your workflow and unleash your creativity. So this is it for this video, guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful, and see you again in the next video.